Guys, what's up? How are you? Hey Gidira, welcome back to my channel Manu 2 Miles. This time it is not related with my riding videos, but this will be a product which is an integral product. As you already would have guessed by now what is there on the thumbnail of the video. Yes, I got my new OnePlus Nord top variant. I mean the top spec model, 256GB storage, 12GB RAM variant. Pre-ordered through Amazon and got delivered today before the launch. Alright, let me show you what exactly is there in the box. Let's start with the unboxing. This is how the Nord OnePlus box looks like. Alright, you can see the OnePlus branding over here. And here we have OnePlus Nord again branding. And a few of the specs. There are three variants what you get in Nord. That is 6GB RAM with 64 storage, which is 24,999, and another one is 8GB RAM, 128GB storage with 27,999, and this is a 12GB RAM with 256GB storage with 29,999. This way not, this is the branding on the top of your phone. Let me see what's there in the box. We have a welcome letter, and you have OnePlus stickers, a quick start guide, the safety information, and you get a red card plug, and yeah, some of the paperwork in this, and you have a needle. You have the red cable, you have a fast charging adapter. This is a pretty nice silicone case with a new design on it. Looks good. You can see the phone here. So it's while it's booting up, let me show you something on the back, how it looks at the back. So you generally see four cameras at the back. One is the first primary camera will be 48 megapixel for the wide angle shots, and the secondary camera will be 8 megapixel for ultra wide angle shots, and third will be the 5 megapixel for depth shots, and the last but not the least it's 2 megapixel for macro shots. Features, yes, it does have a dual LED flash over here, and it records 4K video resolution. And let's talk about the front camera here. Okay, the front camera, you have a dual camera on the front and selfie camera. Yes, the first primary camera will be 32 megapixel wide range, and the second will be 8 megapixel ultra wide. Yes, it does have HDR and it's capable of 4K video recording as the front. Yes, it has two dual loudspeakers, if you can see over here. And yes, sadly again, doesn't have a 3.5mm jack slot anywhere on the phone, so probably you guys need to use an additional connector to use that. And yes, it does have an NFC capability of the phone, and USB is 2.0 type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Alright, well, coming to the battery part, it's a non-removable battery which is 4115 mAh battery. It has a very good fast charging capacity, 30 watts, which is 70% quick charge in just 30 minutes. It's unbelievable, it's nice, good. And yeah, you get two colors right now. It's a blue marble and a grey onyx. These are two current models which is available in the market, and which comes with Snapdragon 765G. It supports a 5G. It's an ultimate mid-range phone. So I'm not going to talk much about it, and because it's available, all the specifications are available in the internet. And you can see you have a toggle switch over here to mute or disengage your silent mode and things like that. And you have a power button on this side, and at the bottom you have a SIM tray option which is over here. And this is a primary mic, and this is a C-type charging and dual speakers, what I was talking about. And on the side, on the left hand side, you see the volume up and down button, and this is a secondary mic on the top. So that's all about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos on with me. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.